Fitness is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living a healthy, vibrant life. This guide will walk you through the essential components of a balanced fitness routine: strength, endurance, and flexibility. Building strength helps you perform everyday tasks more easily and enhances your metabolic rate. Cardiovascular endurance is crucial for heart health and stamina, enabling you to enjoy activities without feeling exhausted. Flexibility not only prevents injuries but also improves your posture and range of motion. Let's embark on this journey together and transform your fitness routine into a lifestyle that supports your well-being. Strength training is the foundation of any robust fitness regimen. It helps build muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism and aids in weight management. Begin with simple exercises like squats, push-ups, and deadlifts. These movements target multiple muscle groups, making them efficient and effective. To incorporate strength training into your weekly routine, aim for at least 2 to 3 sessions per week. Start with lighter weights to perfect your form, then gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key, so make strength training a non-negotiable part of your schedule. Cardiovascular endurance is vital for maintaining a healthy heart and lungs. Regular cardio exercise can lower your risk of heart disease, improve your mood, and increase your overall energy levels. Running, cycling, and swimming are classic options that are accessible to most people. If you prefer something more intense, try high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity cardio per week. Find activities you enjoy, so you're more likely to stick with them. Mix things up to keep it interesting. The goal is to keep your heart rate up and have fun while doing it. Section 4. Flexibility and mobility. Flexibility and mobility are crucial for a well-rounded fitness routine. Incorporate flexibility exercises like yoga and dynamic stretches into your routine. Aim to include flexibility training at least 2 to 3 times a week. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes stretching after your workouts when your muscles are warm. Even a few minutes of stretching each day can make a significant difference. Incorporate it into your routine, and you'll find that it enhances your overall fitness and well-being. Section 5. Balance and stability. Balance and stability are essential components of fitness that improve your coordination and prevent falls. Simple exercises like planks and single-leg stands are great for improving balance. Start with holding each position for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Aim for at least 2 sessions per week to see noticeable improvements. Improved balance reduces the risk of falls and enhances your ability to perform daily activities with ease. Make it a regular part of your fitness routine to enjoy these benefits. Section 6. Rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are critical aspects of any fitness routine. Giving your body time to recover allows your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Incorporate rest days into your weekly routine to allow your body to recover. Active recovery, such as light walking or stretching, can help improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Adequate sleep is also crucial for recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Ensure you're fueling your body with a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Section 7. Conclusion. Fitness is a lifelong journey that goes beyond physical appearance. By incorporating strength training, cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, and balance into your routine, you can achieve a well-rounded fitness regimen. Consistency, variety, and recovery are key to a successful fitness routine. Remember, fitness is not a destination but a way of life. Stay motivated and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.